cream. We're stacking up the ice cream. 1 scoop of chocolate and 1 of peanut butter. That's 2 scoops of ice cream, but still I'd like another. 1 scoop of raspberry will make it 3, but that's not enough. I'm so hungry. Let's add another 2 of vanilla bean. 3 and 2 is 5 scoops of delicious ice cream. We're stacking up the ice cream. Stacking up the ice cream.